So today I'm gonna show you an anime makeup which is Cardcaptor Sakura. I remember when I was a kid, I did watch this anime. And am I a fan of this anime? Not really. However, I'm a fan of this product line. Beautiful! I've been waiting for this blush for a month. Literally, a month. And from then on, I think I've been using this for probably 3 weeks. Now, I'll do swatch on the tissue. I've already worn it on my face. It's really beautiful. The packaging and the blush case, really beautiful. The only thing I dislike this product, it's not the quality. It only has one shade and it's super natural. It's natural, but it's shimmery. Only a tiny tint of pink. So it feels like you're just applying glitter on your cheeks. I don't know. If you really like this case, I would suggest buy other brand's product which is like share the same size. From what I've known, Anasoy and Paul & Joe, their powder foundation can fit in this case. It's just a thing that I always do. I tend to buy makeup products with excellent chef's kiss packaging. So if you do some research online or even test the products yourself, you'll find a lot of makeup cases are also suitable for other brands' products. It's a thing. I cannot use makeup with really plain, boring packagings. It just kills me. It really kills me. So I'm gonna do the swatch for you. I'll fold this tissue and I'll take a clean makeup brush. It's really pigmented, but it just cannot be shown as much as you anticipate. Yeah. You might think that it's beautiful. I'm sorry to inform you. It's not really that beautiful. Like today, this blush, I think I did 4 layers. Sometimes when you are in a rush, you don't really have that much time to reapply blush again and again and again. So if you are patient into natural cheeks color and also you like glitters or any shimmery effects, yes, you can buy these products. Or you don't care about the makeup, you only care about this anime and this packaging. Yes, buy it. It's a bit pricey. As far as I'm concerned, I think it's still worth it. The quality isn't that bad. It's just not what I expected. It still works on me, but I prefer my other blush. I'll definitely keep this case and maybe I'll put some powder foundation refill into this. Makeup is art, so is the makeup packaging. I hope this review helped you. See you in my next video.